So guys, today is about to be a fun day, an amazing day. We here at ATL Wings, which means all the love wings, man. Just chopping it up with the owner. We are here and we are excited. This food review is about to be amazing. I can just feel it. Man, God is in this place. Me and the owner was having a very spiritual, powerful conversation. But anyways, let's show you guys a little bit of the outside. Here is the parking lot. It is a wonderful area. It's very beautiful. There go the restaurant right there, by the way. But it's a wonderful area, very beautiful, plenty of spaces. They got a nice little outside too. But man, it's a nice area. It smells wonderful on the inside. I'm about to show you guys the restaurant soon. We actually about to walk in there right now so I can show you guys. Matter of fact, look at this restaurant. Look at the sign. And ATL stands for All the Love Wings. So it is amazing. All right, let's go in. Hey, I like their logo. So here's the thing. The logo, his name is Lucky. The reason he's lucky is he ain't been fried yet. That's funny, but you know what? Let's go on this side so y'all can see this side. I am here with one of the owners of ATL Wings, Miss Cece. Oh, Cece, Miss Cece, tell them what I'm about to get ready to try. So many sauces, they got so many flavors, but we're about to try something unique. Tell them what I'm about to try.
We're about to try ATL All the Love. That's our signature seasoned wings.
Now,
the ATL style fries.
Now, tell them what's the inspiration. It's like a dry rub wing too. It's their signature dry rub that they make. Y'all make in-house.
We make all our sauces in-house.
Yeah, y'all. So let's check this out. She tell me I'm confident you're gonna like this. So let's see.
Yes. We know what we're doing.
You know what's good? It's not too overly seasoned. Like the chicken got a nice crisp edge. And get that like crunch. This drop. Ooh.
You hear that? Listen to that. Hey, that was 2 bites and it's gone.
When something good, it don't take all that biting. You boom boom in and out. You know what? Let's transition to this barbecue. I think which one you want me to try?
I want you to try the Chef Special. Chef Special is my brother's signature. That's mild garlic parmesan and ranch mix. He came up with that on it. Yes. Taste the flavors. When you put it in your mouth.
Am I gonna fall out? You gonna catch me?
I'll catch you. I ain't gonna let you go.
Okay,
you
look.
gotta try the rest of them.
Oh, let's try that.
It's like a party on your tongue. Right? You don't even know what flavor you taste. You're like,
it's like buffalo and
garlic parmesan and ranch.
Oh my, yo, you know it ain't good when you do this, and then you like all the flavor in the bone. You don't want to take these home. You don't want nobody. You don't want nobody to see how you act out. You don't want nobody. Ooh.
They talk about me, rapping.
Miss Cece brought me back. She said, you gotta get some barbecue before you leave AZ. So, I believe this is hot barbecue. And I specifically asked for this one. So, we're gonna get ready to try this one, and I'm gonna show you guys how it tastes. Let's see.
It's not too spicy, it's comfortable. So that crisp is still there. What is sauce? That's the barbecue.
This is like that Uncle Willie barbecue, the one, you know that uncle that nobody like, they don't want him to do nothing else but cook?
It's that barbecue. I tried to tell you. He's gonna fall. Still got
Now,
pepper.
you know we from Chicago. Chicago mastered the lemon pepper.
Oh, you probably eat that.
So, the standard is very high for this lemon pepper wing. CC, just let you know that right now. The standard gonna be high, but this CC, I think her name stands for CC the Confident. She good.
I know what we got.
So that.
I'm just, you know.
Most times when you get lemon pepper, it don't be a perfect balance between the lemon zest and that pepper taste. But with this, you automatically get that lemon zest followed by skin and like pepper, like all at once. It's like a layered cake. It's like a lemon pepper layered cake. It's like lemon, pepper, skin, chicken, and grease. But it's just like that fresh, crunch chicken wing, the one yolk.
I told you I was cocky, but I had a reason. This is what we do at home. So we take the same thing and roll it into the kitchen. My brother is a genius when it comes down to the sauce. He makes all of them.
I think he just anointed oil to cook these. You know the oil that be on the pulpit, the one that Pastor and prayed over? She used this. She take that and pour it. And I think they get like gallons of it. They get like, they get the truck. They get the truck prayed over. They bring that anointed oil. They put like caution. Chicken is cooked in anointed oil. Fry it and serve it with love.
Serve it with all
the love. That's what ATL stand for. I'm not gonna enjoy the rest of these wings. Yeah. Oh, and the fries.
ATL style.
The fries comes up. What's this?
These are honey biscuits. So it's
What
deep fried
is this?
biscuits. Because you know it's not. Who wants to eat and not have dessert afterwards? You know?
Honey biscuit.
That's a deep fried biscuit. Ooh. I know. I just want you to come back. Dip it in there. Here you go. That's just what we do.
Cut the camera.
Cut the camera.
That's it.
Cut the camera.
Cut the camera. We go home.
That's it.
It's
And you don't even use no ranch. We make our ranch too.
man, this so good. I don't need no sauce. A lot of people hide behind their knees with sauce, but even they dry rub. Let me eat this. I'll come back later when I'm ready to leave. I gotta go. I'll see y'all later. Tell about we go. See y'all later.
ATL Wings, all the love.
Guys, ATL Wings, all the love. Wings was amazing. Look at the show. Oh, got her. I got her. She thought I wasn't gonna get her. Yeah, I got you. Man, Miss Cece was amazing. Great energy, great spirit, man. She fed me so good. I'm ready to go to sleep now, man. Like, if I had to catch this airplane,
He'd be back in the morning.
man, listen, I'll go to bed. But thank you guys. Make sure you guys come visit her. She's amazing, sweet. Service is wonderful, carry a spirit of excellence in everything that she does. We'll see you guys on the next food channel. Make sure you guys visit them when you come to Phoenix. And they got 14 locations. All the love wings. They're going to give you all the love. It's just, man, Lucky going to visit you every time. That's the wing. That's the name of the logo. Lucky going to visit you, man. You're going to feel good. So make sure you guys subscribe, all that fun stuff. See you guys on the next food adventure. Until next time, peace out, y'all.